सेकंड उधर मानेंगे ये हम लोग के लिए बहुत बहुत दुख का बात है। उधर मूवमेंट के लिए अभी हमको प्रमोद ने बढ़ाया करीब 5,000 लोग मौत हुआ है, माता है, स्वस्थ हुआ है। हम लोग बुधु नेशन 5,000 स्वस्थ हुआ है, बहुत सीरियस बात है। और 20,000 वो जेल में जेल डाला हुआ है। It's very serious. Today's function, first of all, I want to congratulate the APSU for organizing this beautiful 32nd Market Day. हम लोग अपने after the president, Kumar G.S. Lawrence और हमारा इंडिजिनियस गेस्ट और एनएस का सेक्रेटरी मनीष कामत जी, सानिया जी and all the leaders of the diocese and all the diocese, especially my dear young students, young generation. On behalf of myself, on behalf of my family, on behalf of my government, on behalf of my people and movement, I would like to give my heartiest thanks and congratulations for inviting me on this 32nd Market Day. As you know, I am involved in the movement since 1982. When I passed out my Madhuri exam, ICS exam, I passed out my ICS exam 1983. Since then, till today, I am fighting, I am struggling for the cause of our people, for the cause of society. And I know I have visited several places in Gujarat. I have been in Pukrajah several times, and I remember first my visit in Gujarat in Bogaingaon when our CG Burma was the president of APSU. I was invited as a speaker. There are thousands and thousands of people, boys and girls, old and young, are present here. I still remember. In that very period, Guru were fighting each other, killing each other, warring each other among the Guru people. I was told to give a speech of reconciliation, fellow feeling, not to kill among ourselves. I know there is Guru movement. Many people are killed, not by other people, by our own people. हम लोग ये शब्द कौन है? दुश्मन नहीं, अपना जात, अपना आदमी, अपना रिश्तेदार, हम लोग का दुश्मन है। बहुत दुख का बात है, बहुत दुख का बात है। क्यों? for Buddha's future. There is no any Buddha's future except Buddha land. If you do not achieve your target, if you achieve Buddha land successfully, I think and I firmly believe one day, today, tomorrow, the Buddha people will perish. But Venice, we have a little example. Then you drive today. Kandapuri, Rajmukhi, they go to Venice. There was Bengal. We have one our own people. One there, the royal family, the kingdom. There is no more.